Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off lock screen sound when you lock your iPhone's lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then right here you can scroll down for a bit and tap on sounds and haptics. Right here you have to scroll down until you find this lock sound feature. By default, at any device this feature toggled on, so when you lock your device you can hear that sound just like that, and right here you can easily toggle this feature off. And after that you can lock your device, and as you can see there are no more lock sound when you are locking your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.